Well, look what we have here, another car part. I finally got, no, you know what, I shouldn't say finally because it actually took only 2 days of shipping, but I got my weighted shift knob from Z1 Motorsports, so let's unpack it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Ooh! Alright, so where's my stickers? Yeah, you already know. You gotta get them stickers, son. What? Oh, they're white. I was like, what? So, alright, so what we have here is we have the actual black aluminum shift knob. Here, what we have here is the socket. The shaft, I guess, grinds on that plastic over time, so it wears out. And we have our stickers here, so you actually have the option to choose what type of sticker you want. Either you want the Z1, and it says Motorsports after, or just the Z1. So I went ahead and just purchased the Z1, and you can also choose the color that you want. So let's unpack it and see what it looks like. Alrighty. So you have your instructions. So that's pretty nice to have, actually. Wow, this is actually really nice packaging for just a shift knob, to be honest with you. Alright, I'll show you guys this. Boom, boom, and bam, my guys. Wow, look at that, bro. Alright, so yeah. So here you have your black Nismo lettering here. So I might actually take this to a shop and have them paint the Nismo white, like the lettering white, and then probably engrave the Z here on top, like the Z. And then probably my YouTube channel or like the Nismo number on the other side. So I don't know, we'll see.
Want to do some grilling tonight or some shit?
If you grill, yeah.
I grilled.
Yeah, bitch, I grilled last time.
Yeah, you did.
Also, guys, do not forget this ring here. It might be lost like in the packaging, so just make sure this is included in your shift knob in your package. So, all right, so let's get on with this shifter knob install. I'm gonna drive the car out the garage a little bit, that way I can get better lighting. Oh, this shifter knob is gonna look so much better. So we're carefully going to pry these off using a flathead screwdriver. There you go. I just had to literally give it some leverage on this bottom end here, and it should pop off right away. What the fuck? It should just come right off. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so change of plans. I was going to replace this piece here, which is right where the shaft sits there. There's honestly, I don't see any damage. I don't see any major wear and tear. What I am going to do is I'm just going to add lubrication on there, and that should do the job. Now the next step is I'm going to remove the shifter knob. So how do you do that is you need 2 grips. You need a grip here to twist counterclockwise, and the second grip is you need a grip here at the bottom. That way you can keep the shaft from twisting. So when you twist counterclockwise from the shift knob, that shaft needs to be static. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to place a cloth and some pliers here, and same thing with the other grip. Now that actually went a lot easier than what I expected. Watching other YouTube videos on how to remove this, people ended up like struggling so much. Like there was one person that used a pipe wrench to remove his shifter knob. Like other people's shifter knobs like get torn apart because they're just stuck on there. But I got lucky and I ended up taking this off. Very simple. As you can see, I'm twisting this off by hand now. Now we're going to do reverse engineering and just start putting everything back how we took it off. So All right, so we made it to the end now. All you need to do is add your finisher and then start screwing on your shift knob here, and ensure that it's screwed on fully. Do you guys prefer using this center console part, your cup holder, or the actual cup holder on the door? I prefer this one, honestly. It's a lot more practical. Look at that shit, bro. Anyways, yeah, it's a different experience just getting in the car and turning it on. Like, it already feels like a fucking different car, bro. Like, just little things like that really, you know, kind of transform the car and give you a different driver experience. I just want to get a feel of the shifter. Bro, what the fuck, dude? I can't believe a shifter makes this much of a difference. Oh, this is so much easier to shift. Like, the stock shift knob was really, it's just big and bulgy, but this is just so easy. Like, damn. It's just life is easy now, bro. Like, I can do everything now. I can do anything in my life. Oh, easy, bro. Damn. Putting it into fifth is a lot more easier too. Like, with the stock shift knob, I felt like there was that extra effort that I had to do to slap it in fifth gear. This is, yeah, like, I don't, like, the word of the day is easy, bro. Like, life is easy now. Just buy yourself a shift knob, bro, and life is so much better, so much easier, right? We've done a successful install for this Nismo shifter from Z1 Motorsports. Yeah, so shout out to Z1 Motorsports. Everything that I literally want for my 350Z is there. Like, my hand, like, I'm a naturally sweaty palm person. Like, my palms are always sweating, bro. Like, if you put me in a lie detector, bro, like, I'm done, bro. Like, there's gonna be a pool of fucking sweat, like, underneath my fucking chair, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh man, there's no buyer's remorse for this one. It's about 100 degrees out in California. I just want to go back inside. But anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. My next mod is going to be the Z1 Motorsport Intex, but that is what's next for the 350Z. As far as the Cobalt goes, it's hard to say, to be honest with you. It is hard to say right now, but the plan has not changed. I still want to build this fucking car. But it's all about timing at this point. Cryptocurrency market kind of slowed down, so I started accumulating some more. So my funds, you know, instead of putting it in the Cobalt, I ended up putting it in my portfolio. You know, I just can't seem to stop investing in crypto. So, but that is my baby still. That is the focus, is to build her. But you guys will see this car on the channel more often than usual. Thank you for the support. I'll see you in my next video, and you already know, stay safe, stay humble, and be legendary, baby.